Hey there, it's Bootsowen here. This is a Hotpoint 7kg washing machine. It's a HV7F140. Let's have a look at how to do the lint filter. Down the bottom here, it's already a bit open. Lift off that fascia, and then in here you've got a filter plug, and it's pretty tight. Oh dear, I need pliers. Okay, so I've got a grips here. This might do more damage than... No, that's it. That one just got it over the edge there. There might be water inside now. There's some. It looks pretty grim. I don't want to get it on my fingers, so I'll use the grips to open it. It looks to have plastic in it, which suggests that the spider's dead, or the bearings have gone in this machine and it's been scraping plastic off the inside of the tub. So if that was yours, I'd be a bit nervous, but normally they're quite clean and they're just full of fluff or lint or something like that. So clean it off. You can give it a wash and a scrub if you want, but it's down at the sump and the water from here never goes back into the wash, so just tighten it up again until it's as far as it'll go, and then put the fascia back on. 3 tabs in the bottom and just snap it shut, and that's it. That's how you do it. That's the lint filter in this Hotpoint HV7F140 washing machine. Thanks for watching. Any questions below. See you later.